Greg
We
McIntyre.
have Greg McIntyre here from
McIntyre,
Lawndale. And we're going to talk about your bills, interest, and all of this.
Thank you very much. I'm going to also walk with it because I can't stand still. Ask my parents or my teachers. I can understand standing. So thank you very much to Deborah Williams for helping put this thing together. This is great. I'm honored to be a part of it. And thank you, Reverend Howes, for allowing me to come out. I caught the tail end of the service, and there was a lot of good preaching going on in there, and I was honored to be a part of that too. So I've been an attorney in Cleveland County for quite a while now. I was born and raised in Cleveland County. I used to come up this part of the county quite a bit, even starting out when I was a kid, playing basketball for Bowling Springs Elementary School. Coming up here to play Lawndale Falls and some of the other schools. Just had a lot of fond memories of doing that. A lot of people may not know what elder law is. Anybody got an idea of what elder law is? Somebody tell me, what do you think? She touched on some of it. Wills, trust, things like that. It's a lot more than that. It's a lot more than that. It's about helping people save their hard-earned money and property. We all know people who have worked for a house for 30 to 40 years to pay it off. And then because of some long-term care situation, some health care event beyond their control, they lose it. It's gone. And it's taken away at the end of their lives. Which takes away a bit of dignity, I think. I know I had a grandfather, Papa Mac, who lived about almost 99 years old in assisted living in Cleveland County and lost a piece of property in Lawndale that he had worked for his whole life to get. Or I might be going home to that property today. I don't know. But it would have at least been passed down and kept in the family and helped us build something. But it was taken away. He was a farmer and a furniture maker. He wasn't an attorney or a financial planner. So I've been giving educational talks like this for the last couple of years in Cleveland County and beyond to try to tell people you have options. If you have a long-term care situation and you're headed down to the Medicaid office and you're going to apply the cause, it costs a lot of money to pay for long-term care, for in-home care, for assisted living care, for nursing home care. If you stop by to see me, I could save your house right there before you go over. And people don't know that by using specialized deeds like ladybird deeds. Pre-planning is best, but sometimes we're only motivated by fear in that emergency situation. I'd love to get everybody to pre-plan, and it's affordable. It's so affordable. It's the best insurance you could ever get on, say, your home. The other hard-earned money you've worked for, we can talk about how to save it too. How to save it for your grandchildren so they can go to college with it. How to save it for your church if that's your important thing. I'd ask you when you leave here, ask yourselves a few questions. Take inventory of what you have because you've worked your whole life for it. Then set a goal. What are your goals? Are they to go on a cruise for the rest of your life if you're a senior? Yeah, I don't know. That's a noble goal. Is it to take cruise after cruise? Is it to travel the country? Is it to leave a legacy for your grandchildren, your children? Identify your goals. So those are some of the things I do. When I started practicing law in Cleveland County, I practiced door law. Does anybody know what that is? Somebody take a guess at that. Come on. What's door law? Anything that walks in the door, okay? Because I had a wife and 2 kids, and I went to college the old-fashioned way. I borrowed every single cent of it, okay? And you know, daddy's got to work. Now I have a wife and 6 kids, same wife, just a few more kids, all with the same, a few more kids, and so I really got to work now. But I do. I love what I do. I work a lot. Again, I'm honored to be here. You know, Life Enrichment touched on a really important subject, which is the same thing. Take inventory of what you have. Decide who's going to make important decisions for you. You know, I may have a wreck on the way home today. I don't know. None of us know what's in store for us next. If I haven't set out who my power of attorney is, my wife can't even call Verizon and change the cell phone bill because I set it up. Imagine dealing with a bank for someone else, or trying to deal with accounts and managing personal business. But you can put a general, durable power of attorney in place. It's a bulletproof document that names who you want to handle your personal business for you, that trusted child. I know which one of my children would be right now. I know which one it wouldn't be. And they're young. But you know who that is. You can put secondary, second, or third tier people to handle it should they be unavailable. Because if you don't, you're looking at a guardianship situation. You want to avoid those things. They can go to the trunk of the car and they know exactly what to do. That is is that your journey book? Or is that, it is? Okay. Journey's a great board and program through the hospital, organized through the hospital. We meet there when I don't have conflicts. I haven't made the last few years, but I love the Journey group. They work very hard to put together those books for you, and that is really what you need to run your life. Very good books. And you know, before you go through a spin down with long-term care, let me tell you a little bit about us. Consider seeing a professional, perhaps an elder law attorney, if one's available. Okay? I'm always available. So 7 out of 10 people, 70% chance that everybody alive right now is going to need some type of long-term care. That's better than Vegas odds, right? In favor of the house, taking everything you make back from you at the end of your life because of something that's not your fault. And Vegas wasn't built on winners, okay? So it's good to plan ahead. Please do come by and see us at our table here. Me and Hayden Soloway, who does a great job helping me set up for these events, except for this one little part right here. So come by and see us. We have a $25 gift certificate also to Eagles that will be, come up and sign up and register for that. We've got plenty of candy here, so you don't have to drive home, you just run home. So again, Greg McIntyre Elder Law, where we help seniors save their assets and legacies. Thank you. Yes, sir. What's that? Introduce Kim. Oh, I'm sorry. Introduce Jamie. Jamie, yes. Okay. Sorry. I'm going to call you Kim now. This is Jamie Richards from Edward Jones Investments here in Shelby. Okay? And Jamie does a great, when I tell people that I work with a team of financial professionals and legal professionals, he would be on my team, absolutely. And Jamie just does a phenomenal job. And if Jamie